Yes, good evening to all. Sorry to keep you waiting. Yes, good evening, Prabha. Good evening, everybody. Is my voice audible to all? Okay. Okay. So as I have told in yesterday's class, that for the month of March, the last two classes of the March month, I have kept it open. So I want that you people should suggest me on what topic I should or I must take the class. So you people have to suggest me on what topic I have to take the class. I have discussed with everybody in yesterday's class. So just for all your people information who have not attended the class yesterday. So I'll tell you the date. It's 27th of March and 30th of March. These two classes I have not scheduled any class for this day. Whatever topic you people tell me, I'll take class on that particular topic. Okay. So our today's class is on marketing management, and we'll be seeing service marketing, the concepts of services, the characteristics of services, intangibility, inseparability, perishability, heterogeneity, service marketing mix, managing service quality, and service life cycle. And finally, since the topic is not very vast, we'll be seeing some of the case studies on marketing itself. So very quickly, just start with the class. Marketing, all you are aware of what is marketing. Now we should see how we should service our customers in a better way so that we can retain them for a long time. So we can only retain our customers by providing them good product, by providing them good services, and by marketing our products in a planned way, since marketing is very challenging nowadays. Since lot of competitors are there in the market, so you have to market your products as per the strategy. For that reason, you have a product marketing team or a product management team, and you hire product managers. So let's start with the slide. So after the end of this chapter, you will be able to learn how do we define and classify services and how do they differ from goods. Number 2, how do we market services? Number 3, how can we improve service quality? Number 4, how do service marketers create strong brands? And number 6, how can good marketers improve customer support services? So number 1, you can market your services through internet by creating the website of your company, in which you demonstrate or declare all the products which is being manufactured by your company. Or suppose you are a service company and you are satisfying your client, or you are either working for your client. So in that way, so one aspect of marketing is e-marketing. That means you can demonstrate the product, its features, its advantages, disadvantages, pricing, everything you declare on the website about that particular product. Like for example, here you can see the Mayo Clinic considers all aspects of a patient's experience. So you can also add that particular feature into your website, that how people feel about your product, whether are they happy with your product, so they can give feedbacks about your particular product on the website. You can also market your product by giving advertisements about your product on some social networking websites, like Facebook is one of the way, Twitter is one of the way. So there are n number of marketing processes are there. Third way, practically how you can market, you have a canopy, you go to certain common place and you put your office canopy there and demonstrate your products or tell us about your products through brochures, pamphlets. This is also one of the way of marketing. Fourth, you can approach to engineering colleges or to management colleges where students, you can tell them about your products. That is also another way. Number 5, you can find out through internet what are the companies that deal in your product or that source product which you manufacture. So you can approach them with your product, demonstrate them about your product, tell them about your product, about your product's advantages and disadvantages. This is also one of the way of marketing. So there are n number of ways. Third is, suppose you are selling an insurance product. Okay, Prabha, we'll talk to this at the end of the class. I think let me get on with the topic now. We will discuss it with, sure, I'll try my best. So I will discuss it afterwards at the end of the class. So this is also one of the way of marketing. So there are different ways of marketing. All you need is that you must approach your customers, you must satisfy your customers. You can send them SMS on their mobile phones. You can send them SMS on their mobile phones telling them that this is the product and these are the features. You can log into this and this website, or to get the more details you can SMS on this number and you can get you can get the reply about that particular product. This is also one of the way. Like for example, suppose how insurance company works. Suppose I go to a showroom, I purchase a car from there. Now that when I purchase a car, that particular, say I purchase a Maruti car or I purchase a Honda car of certain model. Now they also offer me an insurance. Now it's my choice whether I take the car insurance from them or I should take a car insurance from outside some insurance company. Now what insurance company does is they have a link to say some dealer, some who deals in a car or who sells car for Maruti. So they have a tie-up with the insurance company. So insurance company says that okay, I'll provide you one login ID and password. You can sell my insurance policies through, I mean, you by sitting at your office, you can sell my company insurance policies and you can take this much % of share from me. So this is also one of the way of marketing. That means you outsource it. You outsource it to some third party, or you directly outsource it to the client with the login ID and password so that they can avail the features of your website. Like for example, if I want to apply for a job, I can simply go on to some job websites, monster.com or something. I put my profile there. So this is also the Indeed, say Naukri.com or monster.com, they are marketing themselves. So I can just by logging in with the user ID and password, or by creating with the user ID and password, I can log in and I can avail all their features. So this is also one of the way of marketing. So there are n number of ways of marketing. Most important factor which we must take into consideration into marketing is that time to market must be fast. We need to take care of the quality and resolving queries or errors within a quick time period. Giving some promotional offers to the customers. This will help you in attracting more customers. Like in festive season, you give certain gifts to the customers. If they buy a product ranging more than say 10,000 Indian rupees, you give them, or say for 50,000 Indian rupees. So you offer some gifts to them. So this is also one of the way of attracting customers. So there are different ways of providing services to the clients or end users. Clear to all? Any questions, any doubts? Anybody want to ask anything? Just go ahead. Yes, Prabha, we can say that discounts, I mean, it depends on company to company. Suppose if I have manufactured 1000 products of my company and I have started a company 1 year back, but because of some reason my product is not selling. So what must I do? I should not wait for my company to get old. I should start putting a discount and sell my product, because otherwise my product will get as a waste or go as a waste. So discounting schemes differs from company to company on their financial status, what is their revenue, what is their earning, what is their expenditure. Lot of factors are there. Okay. Now what is a service? A service is any act of performance that one party can offer another that is essentially intangible and does not result in the ownership of anything. Its production may or may not be tied to a physical product. That's absolutely right. So as I said, that manufacturing company is somewhat different and service providing company is somewhat different. Service providing company is only meant to provide services. They did not manufacture the product. For example, if I talk of IT industry, we uses lot of Oracle licenses, Oracle software licenses we uses. Now Oracle has lot of insurance products. Say we have Oracle ERP is one of the Oracle's products. Then we have Oracle Supply Chain Management is one of the products. Then we have Oracle CRM is one of the products. Then we have Oracle e-business suite is one of the products. So there are many products. The list keeps on continues, keeps on. I mean, there are n number of products are there. Now what this company do? This company only manufactures the product. Say this is a service providing company. For example, TCS, Infosys, Accenture, Cognizant, etc. So these are the service providing companies. Now, and this is a end user or client. Yes, long form of TCS is Tata Consultancy Services. It's Tata Consultancy Services. So it's a company of Tata. Tata is a very big Indian group whose owner is Ratan Tata. Ratan Tata is the name of the owner of Tata Group. So you have lot of subsidiaries of Tata. Say Tata Steel is one of them. Lot of subsidiaries are there of Tata. Tata Steel, Tata Consultancy Services, into financial sector. Lot of you just go on to Google and type Ratan Tata, you'll get a lot of information, Prabha. So now this is the Oracle product. Now these products are manufactured by the Oracle company. They are not there to provide the services. It's not a service-based company. Oracle is a product-based company. Product-based company means which manufactures the product. This is a product-based company. What service providing companies are called as service-based company. Now what end users are called as clients or customers or end users who avails the services. Now Oracle manufactures the products, and with the help of service-based company they serve the end users or clients. You understand the difference between the product-based company, service-based company and the end user? Everybody? Now this is how the industry works. This is how the industry works. So when we talk of services, service means the companies who are responsible for providing the services, but they are not responsible for manufacturing the physical product. Now moving ahead, what are the service sectors? Government sectors are there, private non-profit organizations are there, like NGOs, business are there, manufacturing is there, and retail is there, whose responsibility is to provide the services to the customers. Now for example, I am taking up the class. So I am doing what? I am not writing any book. I am just providing services to you. You are the student, I am your faculty. I am providing the service to you. Prabha is asking what is the difference between Oracle CRM and other oracles. Nothing is the difference, Prabha. Oracle is the name of the software company and they have different brands. For example, not brands, we can say these are the products meant for different purposes. For example, if I want to make you understand, just a second. Say you have a Honda company. Okay, this is a brand. Honda is a brand. Now you have lot of different car models are there. Honda Accord is there. You have Honda City. You have Honda Activa. So these are different brands. These are the different models. Now Honda is a brand or manufacturer, and this is the model or product. Clear, Prabha? So just understand Oracle in that perspective. So in the last slide, as you've seen, so service providing companies can be a government based organizations also, can be a private non-profit organizations also, say some non-government NGO, can be some business organization also, like insurance in industry, they are the service providing customers. Manufacturing, say some steel company, you take a name of Tata Steel, they are manufacturing company, so they also provide services. Some retail chain also, say Flipkart or Jabong. So you will find service in the service sector in almost every department, whether it's government or non-government. Now this is also one of the way of General Motors is the name of some service providing company. Now they have a tie-up with say Maruti company, say Chevrolet, say they have tie-up with Honda. Now what these people have done is they have created the website, and on this particular website you will find different car models. You can get the price, you can get the EMI scheme, that if you want to take a car on loan, what you can, they have also the facility of getting the on-road price details of the particular car, state-wise, city-wise, you can get the details. Then, so they have n number of features. You just have to log in, create their account. Now once you create your account, they will ask your phone number or contact number. So once you provide your contact number, they will call you up and they will send some customer representative to you who will understand your requirement, what type of car you are looking, what is your budget, then what are the different schemes and offers they have. They will tell you some financial offers also. You can buy the car on loan, or you can buy the car on EMI scheme, or you can buy the car on 0% finance. So lot of offers are there. What are the customer services they will provide? What are on the website you will also find the nearby some customer centers where you, so that if you have any problem in your car, you can get that particular part replaced which is causing the problem in your car with some nearby center. So this is also one of the way of marketing your services, telling about the products, about the plans, I mean all the general informations which a customer has in his or her mind. You just simply go on to the website and you will find every detail pertaining to that. Say take, I think most of the people of you are using Amazon and Flipkart. So when you go to Amazon and Flipkart, you will select, you have a different sections. For books you have different sections, for kitchen you have different sections, for clothes you have different sections, for computer accessories you have different sections. So you just simply go on to that section. For jewelry you have different sections. So you just simply go on to that section, select your product, select just you get to know the price written on that particular product. Then you just enter your details, your name, your contact address. You just pay through internet banking, you pay the money. They'll tell you that how this and this much amount of charge they are charging as a shipping charge. This is the cost, and your product will reach to you in 1 week's time or in 10 days time. They will generate some unique number for you so that you can trace your order by entering that unique number onto their website, that how far the product has reached. So you provide services through web. I mean all the services. That means customer has not to go to the shop physically. You can just select the product online and you can just place your order and you can get the product at your home. So that is called as the door-to-door marketing. What is the term we use in marketing? Door-to-door marketing. That means your product reaches to your home. Clear, everybody? Now let us see. No, this is Now there are different service distinctions. Equipment, whether your service is equipment based or people based, whether your equipment is a service process, whether your equipment is a client's presence required or not, whether it's personal needs or business needs, and what is the objective and ownership of the service. Nothing much to explain in this part. So now these are the distinctive characteristics of services. First is intangibility, second is inseparability, fourth is variability. Let us see it one by one. Third is variability, fourth is perishability. We will see that in detail in some of the other slides. Now physical evidence and presentation is place, people, equipment, communication material and symbols, and last is price. Now how we can increase the quality control? So we can increase the quality control by investing in good hiring and training procedures. That means if we hire good people, or if we hire the good product, then quality will automatically be improved. Then standardize the service performance process. So when you standardize the service performance process, there are less chance of getting some bad product or some defective product within your company. So that will help you in, that will ensure you that you will get the quality product. Then also you have to keep on monitoring customer satisfaction by inquiring them, or by getting them that they should fill the feedback form, so that you must be aware that are the customers happy with your services or not, or what type of modifications and upgradations they want in their product. So that is how you satisfy your customer. Now matching demand and supply. So as much demand you have, so that much supply you have to make. So that is the concept of demand and supply. Differential pricing, non-peak demand, complementary services, reservation systems. On the supply side, part-time employees, peak time efficiency, increased consumer participation, shared services and facilities for future expansion. So more the demand you have, more you have to give the supply. That means we can say that demand is directly proportional to supply. So again, this is one of the, if you want to book some flight tickets, some airplane tickets, so you take the help of this particular, say, True Blue. So this is the name of the company, JetBlue Airways. Now you can buy tickets, you can book cars, you can apply for the job here if they have. Now you get all the travel information. So these are the services they provide. So it's a consumer friendly services. Now how you can improve service quality? By listening, by reliability, by basic service, by service design, by recovery, by surprising customers with gifts and all those things, by fair play, by being transparent to them, by teamwork, by employee research, by servant leadership. So this is a way of improving service quality. Root causes of customer failure. What are the root causes of customer failure? That means you are not able to handle your customers, your product is not very good, or you does not satisfy your customers by explaining them the product in a clear and proper way. So that is also, or the your marketing guy has not got a good attitude, you do not have a good clarity of your product, or you are not being trained properly, then all those factors are there which are the root cause of customer failures. Customer failures means that you lose your customers. Then what are the solution to customer failures? Redesign processes and redefine customer roles to simplify service encounters. Then incorporate the right technology to aid employees and customers. Third is create high performance customers by enhancing their role, clarity, motivation and ability. Last is encourage customer citizenship where customers help customers. So these are all the ways to all the solutions for handling customer failures. Now, three types of marketing are there in service industry: external marketing, internal marketing and interactive marketing. Internal marketing happens between the company and the employees. External marketing happens between the company and the customers, and interactive marketing happens between the employees and the customers. Now, what are the factors leading to customer switching behavior? Now, what are the reasons that customer leaves you and go to some other manufacturer or some other service providing companies? Pricing, that means price wise you are not offering good price to the customer. Inconvenience, they are not happy with your services. Core service failure, the service is not good. Service encounter failures, that how many times you have interacted with the company, you do not have a good experience. Then response to service failures is not good. That means the time period in which they have resolved the response or the time period is not proper. Then competition, and last is ethical problems. So these are the reasons why customer switches to another service provider. Now, gaps that cause unsuccessful service delivery are gap between consumer expectations and management perception. Second, gap between management perception and service quality specifications. Gap between service quality specifications and service delivery. That means your product is good, but you are not able to deliver the service properly. Then that means there is a difference between the expectation on what customer is demanding and what management is understanding. In that difference there is a gap. Second, gap between management, whatever management thinks, and how the services are provided. So there is a difference there. So gap between service delivery and external communications. So these are the gaps which are because of which there is an unsuccessful service delivery. Last is gap between perceived service and expected service. Now, what are the determinants of service quality? Reliability. Customer only purchases your company's product if it is reliable, or if you are providing the good service, they will purchase your product. Then second is responsiveness. Third is assurance. Fourth is empathy. 5 is tangibles. So these are the determinants of a good service quality. Now, what are the best practices? There should be a strategic concept. There should be a top management commitment for the service. Then there must be a high standards for the service you are providing. Then self-service technologies are there. That means you must take the help of technologies in achieving your targets. Then you must continuously keep on monitoring your systems. Then satisfying customer complaints. Whatever complaints or queries customer have, you must satisfy those complaints within a defined time period. and finally satisfy your employees so that they can contribute for the betterment of the organization. So these are the best practices which is almost applicable to every service industry. Clear to everybody? Any doubts? Anybody wants to ask anything? Okay. I think it is taking time on for loading. Why, I don't know. So I think only just two more PPTs are left after that. No, not two PPTs, two more slides are left in this PPT. So I think this particular PPT is over, and this is everything. This is the part I have to discuss in today's class. Now I have two case studies for you, and it's a good case study. So I want that everybody just try to read this case study, and after this particular case they have a questions. So it's not a small case study, it's a 3-page case study. So and this particular case study is on managing the marketing effort in a global environment. So it's an interesting case study. So I want that just everybody okay. So what I'll do is I'll just give access to Prabha. Prabha, once the students have done reading this part, you can scroll down. I have given you the access. Before scrolling down, just ask everybody whether they have read this part or not. If you are able to do with this case study on time, then I have another case study for you. So try to do this, complete this case study within 7 to 8 minutes time. You have 7 to 8 minutes time, and that time is enough, so that we can very quickly go on to another case study after that. Okay, so are you done with this? Shall I scroll down? Prabha is asking, shall she scroll down? Everybody? Okay. So Prabha, I'll just scroll down, don't worry. I think I have only 4 minutes left right now, and I have some other commitments also. I have to go for some important work. So what I can do is I can just, since this a PPT, this case study is little bit more big, so I'll mail you all these case studies. I have 2 case studies with me right now. I'll mail these case studies to you people. Just everybody read this case study and try to answer the questions written at the last, and then we can discuss it in the next class probably. Okay? Is it clear to all? Okay. And Prabha, for you, for that particular class you are to sing, so just remind me on 23rd of March. On 27th I have a class. Remind me on 23rd of March for that particular topic. I'll prepare that topic for you and then I'll let you know. Okay. So like Prabha, if anybody or other of you wants to have some topic or discussion on particular topic, then just let me know. Any topic of your choice in which you are facing problems, I can discuss that topic. Okay? Okay. Thank you all for your time. Just do give your feedbacks after the class. Thank you all. Take care. Bye-bye. Yes, good night all. Bye.